Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. I'm Michael and this time we're looking at the Winlock Odyssey handle for windows and how to reverse the drive gear. This is the Winlock Odyssey tongue drive window handle and this is a reversible handle. So those two screws have been removed and there is a plate below which you can take away, remove. Now you reveal the blade which has got on it right hand and left hand. Also, the revolving gear has also got right hand and left hand on each side. So this one you can see visually reads right hand. So to reverse this, you remove the teeth, drive blade, you remove the gear, and now you turn the handle completely round to the opposite direction. Then replace this the opposite way up with left hand. Having reversed the gear, you then place the toothed spade at the opposite side so that when you turn the handle, it allows it to travel. Once you've got the handle in the right position, in other words, you either want a left hand or a right hand, you simply replace the lid and secure it once more with the two small screws. That is how you reverse this particular handle. Thanks for that, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it all goes well. Thank you once more.